I don't know you. Consider that a good thing. Back again. The fate of those I remember is never a good one. Go. When the Mara strikes, you don't want to be next to me. To whittle oneself away, to tear your enemies apart, that is the power of a blade. We are all Mara-stricken in different ways, but my situation is unusual. Although the Mara haunts me, memories of it seldom cross my mind, be they of remorse, hatred, fear, or reflection. When the Mara strikes, I become something else. By banding together, we reach our goals. The hope that this will be the last time always vanishes in bitter healing of the flesh. Of 5 people, 3 must pay a price. These words are carved into my every wound. Only in the brief moments of its wielding can a blade truly disappear. When will death come for me? My patience is wearing thin. There are countless weapons sharper than mine, but after 1,000 clashes, what does it matter? The dead know no fear. The Mara's tether is firmly in her grasp. She will not pull upon it before the designated time, but nor shall she relinquish it. Within that world she calls a game, she will never give up nor yield to death. He always understood the price better than any of us, yet he never spoke up, never did anything. Imbibitor Lunae, when will our retribution come? How can our debt be repaid? As she brandished her sword, phantom pain surged through every part of my body, all because of her.